Do you really feel like there is a best time to post on Instagram? Or is that just all unnecessary and made up? I came across this article, and honestly, there are just countless articles similar to this. The best times to post in social media in 2023. I truly feel like articles like this get posted because it's like a very good search term, and they know they're going to generate a lot of buzz, but I truly just don't feel like there's any accuracy to any of these articles. And here's the reason why, okay? This is a great example of why I think this is trash. They did this study, right? They're like 6 to 9 p.m., 23% of marketers are like, that's the time to post. What you'll notice about that is there's no time zone listed. So everyone is like, oh, you should post from 6 to 9 p.m., but what if I'm in a completely different time zone and I post my 6 to 9 p.m., but most of my audience is literally based all over the entire country, if not all over the entire world? What is 6 to 9 p.m. to them? This, I think, is maybe more accurate if you have an audience that is like specifically located in one like area, if you're very like geographically focused somewhere. But for most of us, our audiences are literally all over the place. How does this time situation here even make any sense? This is also something that I feel like is very phased out. Like a few years ago, we used to be really concerned about what time to post, and this was like a huge factor on if our content was going to do well or not. Now, I literally am just like, do you have a piece of content to post? Okay, just post it. It will get out there at some point. The other thing to think about too is like on TikTok or Reels, we literally see posts that are from weeks ago. Do you really think that the time that those were posted impacts us seeing them weeks later? Maybe an unpopular opinion, I don't know, but I'm just saying I think this is clickbait.